You know, we created this space specifically to talk about topics that are super relevant as entrepreneurs. Things like managing your business better, and of course, how to make a dollar better and faster. Okay. So today, I wanted to chat about something really fundamental that we're all doing here, and it connects directly to a topic we have discussed before: discipline diversification. As entrepreneurs, we all get hit with those tons of ideas, right? It's like having a hurricanes of ideas running around in your head, just attacking you from every single direction. And diversification, expanding what you do, it can be awesome, a total game changer for your business. But like we talk about it, it can also be a really, really dangerous trap if you're not careful. You want to, just, throw those random seeds in the ground and hope for the best, right? You need a plan, a strategy. Now, many of you know me from my tax and accounting services. What I essentially sell is two things, three ways. I sell time and I sell knowledge. And I do that in three main ways for my clients. I do it for you. That's my core, tax and accounting services. Sometimes we do it with you, collaborating on strategies and plans. And then there's the teaching you how to do it. For a long time, that teaching aspect was just, casual conversations, quick tips here and there. But as my business grew and as I thought more about how I could diversify in a really smart, disciplined way, I realized something. Instead of letting the hurricane of ideas just let me down some totally unrelated path, I look at what I do best, my core competencies, and how I could expand that teaching part of my business. And that, my friends, is exactly why we started Go Make a Dollar. See, this community isn't just for some random new venture for me. It's a clear example of discipline diversification in action for my own business. It's my way of expanding that teaching my clients how to do it pillar. It's not a rotten idea. It's building on my existing knowledge and leverage what you, my clients, already been asking for. Okay? It aligns perfectly with my own X factor strategy. That core metric that really drives my entire business forward. By teaching you more and enhancing my reputation and strengthening our relationship, and ultimately helping you make that dollar, which cycles back to what we all want. So, when we talk about discipline diversification in our lessons here, remember that this community itself is a product of those very teachings. It's about taking why are we doing this, and building on your strength, on your core competence, and grow your own business in a smart, sustainable way. Okay? My hope is that by being here, you're not just getting information, but you're seeing a live example of how to grow strategically, how to avoid that entrepreneurial trap, and how to really cultivate your business ventures to create that thriving ecosystem. We're all in this together, building our business and making our dollars smarter and faster. Okay. Now, I want you to leave with this question to ponder for your own business. As you think about your growth plans, what's your X factor strategy, and how can you use it to guide your next discipline diversification move? Thanks so much for being part of this community. I am really excited for what we're going to achieve together. See you in the next discussion.